यदि आप पानी हमारे हाथ से छीनकर बाजार को दे दोगे, पानी हमारे पास रहेगा नहीं, तो हमारा जीवन हमारे हाथ में कैसे रहेगा? जीवन बाजारू नहीं होता। यह शब्द है सुप्रसिद्ध जल पुरुष राजेंद्र सिंह जी के।
With the title of the Waterman of India, Rajendra Singh was born in the year 1959. He is a well-known water conservationist from Alwar district, Rajasthan, in India. Rajendra had two influences in his early life that inspired him to get involved in helping small villages get back to their traditional way of life. The first came in 1974 when Rajendra was still in high school, in the form of Ramesh Sharma, a member of Gandhi Peace Foundation. The second influence was a man named Pratap Singh, a teacher. He would talk with his students after class about politics and social issues, and this made Rajendra start thinking. These influences changed his life and the lives of many people around him.
શ્રી રાજેન્દ્ર સિંહજીના પ્રયત્નોને પરિણામે અનેક ગામડા હરિયાળા થયા છે, લોકોને રોજીરોટી મળી છે, જીવન જીવવું વધુ સરળ બન્યું છે।
ये वही नदी है जो नदी पैरेनियल थी, सदैव बहती थी, लेकिन अब ये नदी मर गई है, सूख गई है। लेकिन इस नदी को जिंदा कैसे करते हैं? लोग आज भी इस मरी हुई नदी को जिंदा करने की ताकत, दिमाग, दिल, संगठन अपने साथ रखते हैं। ऐसा किया जा सकता है।
Mr. Singh also runs an NGO called Tarun Bharat Sangh, which was founded in 1975. The NGO has been instrumental in fighting the slow bureaucracy, mining lobby, and has helped villagers take charge of water management in their area through the use of Johad, rainwater storage tanks, check dams, and other time-tested as well as path-breaking techniques. The organization has been recognized for its success in revitalizing rivers, renewing groundwater supplies, and granting access to clean water to people who formerly had no access. Starting from a single village in 1985, over the years, TBS helped build over 8,600 johads and other water conservation structures to collect rainwater for dry seasons. It has brought water back to over 1,000 villages and revived 5 years in Rajasthan.
By 2001, TBS had spread over an area of 6,500 square kilometers, also including parts of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Andhra Pradesh. It had built 4,500 earthen check dams or johads to collect rainwater in 850 villages of Rajasthan. And he was awarded the Magsaysay Award for Community Leadership in the same year.
We need to decentralize water supplies. It's only when a community feels ownership of their water resources, they use water in a disciplined and sensible way and move forward, says Sri Rajendra Singh.
Rajendra Singh, the man who truly proved that strong determination, believing in self, and utmost hard work can change even a barren land into a green forest. We salute